Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce UniGen, the first end-to-end multi-agent system for zero-code 3D game development in Unity. Our mission is simple: automate the game development process and make game development accessible to everyone. First, let's take a look at the 4 highlights of UniGen. The first one, end-to-end automation, from natural language descriptions to a fully runnable Unity project with no code required. Second, multi-agent intelligence. UniGen brings together 4 specialized agents: the planning agent, the generation agent, the automation agent, and the debugging agent. Each one plays a role in creating blueprints, producing scripts, assembling the scene, and fixing errors automatically. Next are accuracy and efficiency. In our experiments, UniGen achieved between 89.5% and 100% functional completeness across different test games, while cutting development time by 91.4%, from hours to just minutes. Now, let's walk through how UniGen works. Step 1. Planning agent. It takes your natural language input and converts it into a structured GSON blueprint with detailed logic. Step 2. Generation agent. It turns that blueprint into production-ready Unity C# scripts, supporting common mechanics like movement, camera following, UI, and NPC pathing. Step 3. Automation agent. It automatically builds the Unity scene, safely binding components using our reflection helper, and generating editor scripts for batch setup. Step 4. Debugging agent. It detects errors during compilation and applies conversational automated fixes across multiple scripts. Together, these steps form a seamless pipeline, from natural language to playable project. For test results, we evaluated UniGen on 3 benchmark games. In Obstacle Run, all 15 defined interactions were implemented successfully. That's a perfect 100%. In Coin Collection, UniGen reached 93.8% completeness, with 15 out of 16 interactions realized. And in John Lemon's Haunted Jaunt, a more complex example, UniGen still achieved 89.5% completeness. When compared to manual development, on average, building these games by hand takes about 140 minutes. With UniGen, it takes less than 12 minutes, a 91.4% reduction. Manual development required about 75 separate operations, while UniGen reduced this to fewer than 5. In short, UniGen delivers high functional completeness, saves hours of time, and eliminates repetitive manual work. Now, let's see UniGen in action with John Lemon's Haunted Jaunt. We start with a simple natural language requirement, just typing the prompt. And by the way, all prompts are available in our GitHub repository, so you can try them yourself. Next, UniGen generates a detailed design document. This document lists all the objects, components, and logic dependencies for the game. Then, the system automatically produces both the C# scripts and the editor scripts. All field bindings are handled by Reflection Helper, so everything is set up safely with no runtime errors. After that, everything is packaged into a Unity project. If any errors show up, we just pass them to the debugging agent. UniGen fixes them automatically. At this point, the only thing left is some fine-tuning, adjusting the main character's position, tweaking physics values, or changing enemy speed. Finally, we hit play, and in just a few minutes, we have a fully playable John Lemon demo. In conclusion, with UniGen, we showcase a new paradigm for AI-driven zero-code development. By automating design, scripting, integration, and debugging, UniGen allows creators to focus on creativity, not code. This is a big step toward truly end-to-end automated development for 3D games. Thank you.